Hello everyone, welcome to another Tech Training for Teachers instructional video. Today we're going to be talking about custom themes. Let's get started. Let's say you're someone who gives presentations on a regular basis. You're from an organization or a school district and you have a certain look and feel of your presentations that you'd like to convey. In other words, you want to brand them a certain way. We're going to create a customized theme that can then be used over and over. Let's go ahead and get started. For this, I am choosing to begin with a simple light theme. I have it selected. Then we'll go over to our master slide. So let's click on View and then choose Master. I will click on the top level Master and then we'll go to Background and then select under Gradient. Let's do the dark blue too. All right, we'll click Done. All right, that's how I want it to look. All right, next I'm going to go up to my Shapes tool and I will draw a shape right up here and I'm going to put that at the very top. All right, just like so. I'll change the color of this shape to a deep red. And I also want to get rid of the line or the border color going around it. All right. Looks like I got to resize this just a wee bit. There we go. All right. Next, I want to put that at the very back. So I'll do a keyboard shortcut here. Command down arrow. Now it's behind everything. All right. You could also right click and choose Order, Send to Back. All right. Next, I want to change up this font style. All right, so I will select the text box, and there's one I'd like to use here. It's called Oswald Medium. All right, so we've changed the style, and notice how it affects all the other layouts here in our presentation. That's because we've chosen the top level master. All right, we'll change this to white. We'll also change the size to size 36. I want this in the middle of my text box here. Then I'll just drag it up a little bit. One last thing I want to do here is to apply a shadow style to the text. So with it selected, I'll come over here to my Format Options and we'll check Drop Shadow. Okay. If you don't see Format Options, look for it on your toolbar here. Okay. All right, we're going to do something similar to the rest of the text here. So let me click this text box. Again, we will make it white. We'll change the font style to Oswald Medium. Let's set our size to not quite as large as the text we set earlier. We'll go size 30. All right, and we'll do a shadow on that as well. There we go. All right, looks pretty good. One last thing I want to add here is my logo, my brand logo. All right, so we can go up here to Insert, Image. I'll go to my drive. Should pull it up. Here we go. Click Insert. All right, that's going to be a little too big, so we will resize that significantly. And we'll drop it up here. There we go. Okay, I think we are set. So we'll go ahead and rename this. I'll call it Tech for Teachers theme. All right, and I'll click OK. And now we can close out of our master slide. Okay. So now, as you can see, if we try to add a new slide and pick a different layout, look at all the options we have here. Looks like we're pretty much set. One last thing though, and that is I'd like to have a palette of colors to pick from that go along with this theme. All right, so let's say I added some other elements and I wanted to change the color. Well, you notice if I click on my paint bucket here, it has these theme colors. And none of those go along with our current theme. All right, so I will go back to my master slide. All right, then I'll choose colors. And starting with number 1, I will change this. I will go, let's see, I'll say that one will be that style. Then I'll go to the next one, maybe a lighter blue. The next style, even lighter. See what we're doing here? Number 4. There we go. All right. Now we can close out of this. And if we go to add an element and want to change the fill color, you'll see all of our theme colors now. Okay? Go ahead and name this presentation. All right, and then we can use it later. All right, so let's see how you would then get it into a different presentation, should you be working on one. All right, so I'll start with a blank presentation here. I'll close out of that one. To bring in the theme that we just used, click Import Theme. There's our presentation. Click Select. There's the presentation's embedded theme. Okay, we have it selected now. Click Import. All right, and all of our choices. Okay. We also have our color scheme is there as well. Okay. Let's switch gears a little bit. Let's say you have a presentation that you made in PowerPoint and you like the style of it and you want to bring that into Google Slides. Not a problem. All you need to do is take the presentation, bring it into Google Drive, and then you can import that directly into Slides. Let's show you how this is done. Let me open up a new tab here and we'll go to our drive, okay? And I will upload a PowerPoint presentation that I have on my desktop. All right, so I will choose File, Upload. There it is. It's called Circuit. I'll click Open. All right, now we know it's there. Okay, with Slides already open, I can click again on Import Theme. Here it is, Circuit. I will choose it and click Select. Okay, so there is the embedded theme. We'll pick it and then click Import. Boom, and there it is. So as you can see now, if we add new slides, there are all the different layout styles that we would have seen had we opened this in PowerPoint. And when it comes to colors, we have those as well. There are all the theme colors associated with this specific presentation. Thanks for watching today's tip. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. And if you like videos like this, be sure to subscribe.